Hey there everyone, it's Jody here again from JMS Explore. I've just put up some information actually on where I am going to explore today. So it's about a 1940 Brocklesby mid-air collision. So on the 29th of September 1940, a mid-air collision occurred over Brocklesby, New South Wales, Australia. The accident was unusual that the aircraft involved two Royal Australian Air Force Avro Ansons of No. 2 Service Flying Training School. They remained locked together after colliding and then landed safely. So the collision stopped the engines of the upper Anson, but those of the machine underneath continued to run, allowing the aircraft to keep flying. Both navigators and the pilot of the lower Anson bailed out, and the pilot of the upper Anson found that he was able to control the interlocked aircraft, and it made an emergency landing in a nearby paddock. All four crewmen survived the incident, and the upper Anson was repaired and returned to flight service, where the lower one was actually the front propeller was put on display at the town in Brocklesby itself. So you will see the footage that I will put up. So again, I got the drone out. I got my husband to fly it this time, so he got a bit of footage, and you can see as we go along. I'll explain in the footage, as we go along. So I hope you enjoy this. I love talking about history and going and seeing things and stuff like that. So where we did go on the site, there's just a little memorial plaque there that shows how the planes ended up, which you can see in these photos here as I am talking. Okay, let's get started. I'll let you keep reading. You can pause at any time going through this footage that I have put up, so pause it to read it if you like, and it'll give you even more information. So I'll put a bit of music on, and then we'll get back to it with the drone footage and my video footage. Have fun watching, guys. Okay guys, here I am on the ground taking footage from my Samsung S21 Ultra 5G mobile phone. I put it on the settings of Pro Mode video, trying it out, so it seems to have captured our footage quite well. So in the footage with the drone, we were up a bit higher, and as you can see where I'm showing now as well, the crash was over there in the field a little bit further away, so it was close to a farmhouse as well. Now we left the site obviously and came into the town called Brocklesby in Australia. This is the front propeller of the bottom plane that was totally destroyed, that couldn't be repaired, so they just put this here on for show. And also you'll see I'm showing different angles of it, of course, for you guys. It's in a cage, so I couldn't really get a nice, really nice clear shot of it, even with my taking normal photos. I wanted nice photos and everything taken as well, but unfortunately the cage was in the way. But you know, you have to protect stuff like that, so it is history. So this is the board also that said, when we were out on the site, you saw the sign that said more information was in Brocklesby itself. Well, this is it here. So this is the sign that has been put up. I tried to get as much footage for you guys as I could, and that you could read it as well, but again, you're probably going to have to pause the video to read more about it. I think it pretty much covered everything at the beginning that I put up there as well for you to read, so it's pretty much the same thing. But again, you know, pause the video and just read it as you go along. But it was a great day. Excuse me. There we were out on this, I felt like I was back in the 1940s actually, out on this dirt road. There was no tar road, and a couple of trucks went past, and there was dirt flying everywhere. I had to stop recording. I had to wipe down my camera and everything like that. I had my tripod, but the top part had, for some reason, snapped off, so I was unable to use my tripod. So that's probably why I'm not as steady and a bit shaky in the footage that I've put up as well. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this again. Thank you so much for liking and, you know, just your thumbs up and subscribing. I really appreciate you coming along on my explores. Okay, time for me to go. Thanks for watching again.